The turning point wasn't working harder or chasing another online trend. It was the decision to build a product around a real problem the founder already understood deeply. That single choice transformed an overlooked hobby into a scalable software business and made the difference between staying stuck in hourly work and earning the first $30,000 before leaving school. This business story was shared by Reddit user ConfidentBase474, created on November 26, 2025. At the time, the founder was 18 years old, still in school, broke, and working shifts at McDonald's while searching for a way out of trading time for money. The idea of financial freedom, choosing when, how, and with whom to work, was compelling, but every early attempt failed. Trading, dropshipping, mowing lawns, and other small hustles either lost money or simply exchanged hours for wages, always ending with little to show for the effort. The shift came after encountering the idea that the strongest early businesses are often built around existing hobbies or interests. What mattered wasn't passion alone, but the fact that deep familiarity removes friction. When work aligns with something already understood, motivation stays high and progress compounds without the constant burnout that kills most side projects. Through this lens, one skill stood out. The founder was already active in gaming communities where PC checking was used to detect cheats or anti-forensic tricks hidden on players' computers. This process was common across games like GTA, Minecraft, and Fortnite, and while automated scanners existed, they had a serious flaw: false positives. These tools regularly accused innocent players, created arguments, and left disputes unresolved, while the tool owners remained distant and unresponsive. Instead of accepting that limitation, a clear business decision emerged: build a better scanner. The goal wasn't to be the first, but to be the most accurate, with the lowest false positive rate possible, and to run it with transparency and communication. That decision became the foundation of what would later be known as DetectTac. The first phase was pure execution. Building the scanner took several months, with technical help from a friend known as WireSpider87. When the product finally launched, sales were non-existent, which was expected. Rather than quitting, the focus shifted to distribution. Partnerships were formed with Discord servers, videos were created showcasing real cheat detection and bypass methods, and YouTube content highlighted cheaters being caught in real time. Each piece of content doubled as education, proof, and marketing. Progress was slow but measurable. The first month brought a single sale. The second month brought two. Then sales began doubling each month until revenue reached $5,000 in the sixth month. That moment marked the inflection point. What started as a side project now earned more than a part-time job, and continuing to work shifts at McDonald's began to limit growth rather than support it. Quitting the job wasn't framed as a leap of faith, but as a rational response to traction. Time was reallocated to improving the product, responding to users, and expanding capabilities. From there, DetectTac continued to evolve, eventually becoming a market leader in PC cheat forensics. Today, it protects over 1 million players across 12 different games. This story isn't about luck or overnight success. It's about recognizing a flawed market, building a product from lived experience, and choosing accuracy, trust, and execution over shortcuts. The result was a real business, real revenue, and the first $30,000 earned before adulthood, not by chasing trends, but by solving a problem better than anyone else.